I'm Lori Ruimveld, and I'm from ProSource of Kalamazoo, Michigan. I was in the family business since I was 16, and in 1985 became part of Carpet One. With that excitement and growth and opportunity, we noticed that we were completely focused on retail, and we really struggled to break that retail barrier with our customers in the Kalamazoo Portage area. They started actually ProSource up, and shortly around, I want to say a year later, my dad joined ProSource. I really believe that ProSource has a fashion-forward approach when they come to the showroom. They not only are thinking good values in the builder industry, they also go to a higher level of fashion and design and really picking out some beautiful products. And we have great designers that love our showroom. They get excited every time we get something new in, and I give a lot of credit to ProSource's product and merchandising team because it's been consistent and something to look forward to every year. It's fun to see our members come in every day, or we talk to them every day. We have this wonderful relationship with them, and their success is our success.